How to add automatic chapters to your YouTube video. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can easily add automatic chapter to your YouTube video. First thing first, you want to go over and open up YouTube Studio. Now once you open up the app, you want to select your video where you want to add automatic chapters. So for that, go over to Content and then select your video. Then you need to go over to Video Details, just tap on it. And from your video details, you need to go ahead and enable the option for automatic chapters here. Tap on the edit icon at the top. Since this is a short video, I don't have that option, but you should have an option to easily enable the automatic chapters. And if there are any manual timestamps, you can remove them. And if your description has the timestamp starting with 0, YouTube will assume you prefer manual chapters and it won't generate your automatic chapters. So just remove that and you should be good to go. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.